where you create your new item. So this is for your one directly ETL from the BigLedger. So we have your category based on the EMP. It's up to 10. Okay, in the EMP is up to 10, but in the BigLedger is more than 10 actually. So it's more than 10 for the category code here. It depends on how many category that you have over here, but it's up to 20. Okay. And then after that we have pricing scheme. So in the EMP we only have 5 pricing schemes. So if let's say you have more than 5, so you can do so. It's unlimited for the pricing scheme. So if let's say you want to have pricing for east different, west is different pricing. So you can have one would be west pricing, maybe west list price or east list price. Okay, you can do so. Okay, so this is pricing scheme where you can see this pricing scheme. Okay, we go to the item. We choose one of the item here. So this part is being ETL from the BigLedger. Okay, and then the item name, item code, and then what would be your item category. Oh, this one haven't set on here. Okay, what would be the item category? The pricing scheme. The pricing scheme. So if let's say this one is the one that based on the EMP, right? So if let's say you want to set the minimum and maximum, okay, maximum and maximum. So you can click on it. Okay, click on it, and then you can go find your minimum. Where's my minimum? Okay, sales minimum price. You can set for each item. So okay, that's the one that we already have in the based on your BigLedger EMP. But if let's say you want to create new, yeah, you click plus over here, and then you key in. With there, I go to so you click plus, okay, key in your item code, item name, the type. The type here, whether is it basic items, serialized or what? Okay, so if let's say it's the basic, whether is it the basic quantity or is it serialized item? And what would be your UM? Yeah.